Hi, my name is Laura Shield. I live in Greenfield, Illinois. I have a son who's in college. He's going to graduate in the spring, so he'll be a college graduate. Hopefully I'll be right behind him after I get done with my master's. I have never really got into the learning research. We used it when we were in our bachelor's program, but it wasn't something I was really interested in. I just want to go out there and help different people, and I didn't really think about this as another part of a social work degree. I think that it'll be very interesting to see what she talks about in this class, see how everything goes along with what we're learning. And to me, that sounds like something that, for me, it'd be fun, especially if it goes along with our jobs or what we're going into on our career. I actually want to be a hospice social worker. I had a stroke 6 years ago, and I had to learn and come back with a lot of problems, I guess, and I actually came over all of them. And I just want to use that experience and help those people that are even scared of dying, or they're unsure what's the next thing that goes ahead of them. I want them to not be fearful. I also think with the learning research, hopefully that will open new ideas, different techniques that we can use with people that are struggling with different things. And hopefully we can just use those learning techniques and actually get it out there in our career and show what works and doesn't work. So I'm hoping to see what happens with this class. So thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.